on, guys? It's Tony here from Rolla Details, and I'm here with Siler from
Sailor's Auto Detailing.
Siler's Auto Detailing from North Carolina, right?
Charlotte, North Carolina.
Charlotte, North Carolina. So he came today. I mean, like he dropped off his van like 2 months ago or so.
Yeah.
Something like that.
A little under
like,
2 months.
Yeah, like a month and a half or so. And you know, we was able to build this custom setup for him, which this thing is amazing. I like it. It turned
out awesome, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like it. I'm pretty excited, and I'm so happy, you know, that you like it. You know, that's the main thing for me. But anyways, guys, we just want to do a quick video and kind of let Siler kind of give us a walk around, you know, of his brand new Mercedes Sprinter with a nice mobile detailing setup. So let's check it out. All right, Siler, so if you don't mind, can you kind of give us a walk around, you know, like to show us, you know, your setup and why you decide to go this route as well, you know, if you don't mind.
So, I mean, I had been researching for a while, trying to find people to make a nice build out for my van. And I mean, I found a bunch of people, but Tony was by far, had the nicest setups I'd seen.
Thank you so much.
For the doors, got the diamond plate doors, bottle holders. Obviously, I had them powder coated black to match the rest of the van.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Black toolbox, vacuum hose, air compressor hose, pressure washer hose, all on Koch reels.
Awesome.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, one thing to note, just to highlight over here, guys, that this is your on and off switch for your pressure washer. So you don't even have to go. I mean, we are looking for efficiency. So as you guys can see, this is your pressure washer gun, you know, so you want to grab it and you can just turn it on right here. You know, you don't have to be looking, you know, for the pressure washer. The pressure washer is all the way back in there, but that's something just to highlight, you know, we want to be, this build is meant to be efficient, you know, and at the same time, you know, is built to last, you know, because it's made of aluminum, you know, so that's some of the benefits of this setup, and is built in one solid piece. In case something happens, you can just pull it out. So that's pretty cool. If you want to show us, you know, on the other side.
So one of the main things when I had contacted Tony, I wanted to make sure I had enough storage in the van for my for all my gallons of product. So I had him put in a few extra gallon holders, a spot to put my buckets for my wheels and wash bucket.
That's right. Yeah.
Generator slide out here, vacuum, air compressor, the Kranzla pressure washer, down by the 100-gallon water tank, 2 polisher holders, pad holder, obviously powder coated black like the rest. I mean, it looks nice. Fantastic.
I'm pretty excited, honestly, guys. Like, this thing turned out really nice, and like I said, Siler is super happy.
Yes.
And also he, like, we was, you know, this morning while Ivan was finishing up, you know, final touches in the van, you know, we was also doing a training for paint correction and ceramic coating, which we do it here at Rolla Details as well. You know, if you guys ever need your setup, training, products as well, you know, we are not quite selling products, but we have all the links, you know, for you guys to pick up the products and make it easy, you know, to get the right products for your business technically. So, and once again, the training is about not just how to apply the coating or how to do the paint correction. We was talking as well about the business and the way to have good communication with our client as well, right?
Yeah, I definitely learned a lot in the classes. Would definitely recommend them to anybody, whether you're a beginner or, you know, expert level detailer. You know, I'm sure you can learn a thing or two.
We always can learn something, you know, from each other, you know. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So over here as well, guys, just to mention, we have a canopy, you know, compartment. You know, like how hot it is, you know, sometimes you want to have a canopy and stuff like that.
For some shade,
Exactly. So we have that right there. The generator slide out is capable to hold 500 pounds, you know, but that doesn't mean that the generator have to be 500 pounds. It's just meant to be 500 pounds because that way, if it's capable to hold a lot more than whatever you're gonna be putting on top, it's gonna last longer, you know. So that's the idea behind the 500 pounds generator slide out. Here, that right there is mainly for your buckets, you know, so they have a place, you know, to sit. You have a lot more space over there. Right here, you can put your carpet extractor. You steam it up there. Like, you have a ton of room with this Mercedes Sprinter. Honestly, this van is really nice. it's diesel as well, right?
Yeah.
So it's really cool.
Yes.
I'm super excited. This thing is amazing. So let's check out the back section one more time. We have plenty of space up here. The totes for your microfiber towels, dirty towels, you name it. I like to keep these two right here for the high-end towels, technically, because you don't want them, you know, to get any debris or anything like that. But we have the foam cannon holder over here as well, and you have your retractable extension cord over here. Really nice. Same thing, that one there is retractable, and we have everything set up in remote controls. You have your vacuum and your air compressor and remote controls. So this thing is looking really nice. So, all right, guys, like I said, I just want to show you guys and thank you, Siler, for everything. Thanks for the trust. I really appreciate you, buddy. And we're gonna keep in touch, because that's another thing, guys. If you guys ever have any issues with your setup or whatever, just feel free to call me, you know, because I'm here, you know, for you guys. That's the main thing. It's not like you just buy it and that's it. You know, I'm here for you all the time. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.